Welcome back to our channel. This time we're sailing on the Norwegian Gem, taking you with us on Chefs Making Waves. A food cruise featuring some of our favorite Food Network stars. Stick around, because you're also going to see some amazing dishes, entertainment, and new faces. Our journey started at the port of Miami, where we dropped off our luggages. Ticketing went smoothly and didn't take too long because we were in the earlier groups. After checking in and getting our badges, we were ready to board the ship. Before we were allowed into our cabin, we did a bit of exploring of the atrium and the pool deck.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Are we good?
Yes.
This time, our drink package included unlimited Starbucks.
Sweating and enjoying a bunless burger by choice.
So the lines were outrageous because every single person obviously is going straight to lunch. So we were able to grab some burgers, some sausages. I'm sure it'll be much less busy tomorrow. So Tammy and my dad are gonna get their food, and Abner and I are just finishing up our plates.
Now we got Larry coming up. Tammy's plate.
So far, so good. I did try the 3 specialties, the shashuka. It's good. I thought it was going to have some tomato sauce, some other stuff on it, but a good poached egg. The curry was really good, and I really liked the harder palm, which had, as you can see, avocado in it. So overall, good so far. Prime rib, nice and tender. It's good. Little thing to say, the potatoes were a little cold, but other than that, everything's good. Like the rice and the Indian rice, along with the chutney. So, good so far.
So the line died down, so here's the soup station. Sandwiches. They have pizza, pasta. Soup of the day seems to be pho. I guess the hot favorites. Extremely packed beforehand. I mean, obviously everyone wants to go to lunch. There's huge prime rib. That looks very good. Some salads. There's the chef spotlight. And then burgers and, you know, more of all that stuff.
After lunch, it's a quick game of chess and off to Topsider's bar on deck 12 for some refreshing drinks. If you happen to pre-order a cookbook, Spinnaker's Lounge is where you pick it up at. They have a fully stocked bar here, serving fresh drinks made to order. For this trip, we ended up staying in an interior room. It was definitely smaller than the balcony room we had before, but honestly, I kind of loved it. With no windows, the room stayed completely dark, and this actually helped me a lot with my motion sickness, even though Abner really missed the balcony and listening to the waves at night. The shower in this cabin was definitely much more spacious.
So we're getting ready for the party here. I think there's going to be a live band. Larry, who's playing again?
Our Queen band.
It's a Queen cover band.
Let's cruise. Bon appetit. Let's cruise. Bon appetit. Awesome. All right.
How's everybody doing out there? That's bullshit. How's everybody doing? Now we're talking about Chefs Making Waves, number 2. Who was here last year? Tom Colicchio. Well, there's a caring that puts your toilet paper in the refrigerator. Scott Conan, of course. Vittorio La Pasa. Me, I can't drink except 15 shots at a time.
Chef Robert Irvine, right over
By the way, we drank at every restaurant a shot of tequila, and you don't drink tequila. So how does that work?
I don't know what he's talking about. You guys, we have 5 days or 4 days of like amazing events. We've got restaurants open every single night that are run by all of us. We have a lot of drinking, a lot of swimming demos. I already said a lot of drinking. Great food. A day in Cozumel that I know Manit is out there running around with everyone. There's a salsa, yes. Manit and Claudette are doing a whole tour of Cozumel. I'll be on a beach somewhere. And then, I'm not coming, I'm sorry. Demonstrations, DJing, what else? Guys, tonight, shut up and dance, right? Yeah!
How was that?
It's just super cool seeing all of them. It's really interesting because I've been watching them since a kid, and like now they're just kind of in front of you, so it's really awesome. Excited to try their food as well.
The ship has officially started moving right at 6 on the dot.
We finally pulled away from the port of Miami, live music in the background and the sun beating down while we took in the beach and city views. At this time, a few of the chefs were doing meet and greets at the pool deck.
We'll catch you guys at dinner.
How excited are you for this?
Very excited. Here's the menu.
Our first dinner was at the Orchid Garden, located on Deck 7. This menu was curated by Naisha Arrington, who greeted us at our table, Richard Blaze, and Michael Schwartz.
We just finished our first day's dinner at the Orchid Garden. It was wonderful. I had the duck breast and Abner had the seared sea bass. We are both really full right now. We're gonna go back to our room, get changed, and then head to the Cinco de Mayo party. The first duck has been found.
How cute.
Who's it from?
Oh, you're in luck. You found a duck. Keep it or hide it, you decide. Chefs Making Waves, Cozumel 2025 from Conway, South Carolina. So we have one of these at our room too, so whenever I see a whiteboard, I like to fill it out. Hopefully people will fill out ours as well.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Super cool. People are childish. This is our room. Our last cruise, we had noticed a lot of people decorated the outside of their door. So I kind of wanted to do the same. I found these like little stickers. They're like paper stickers just with tape from the Dollar Tree. And we had this at home. I'm just gonna keep that up for right now.
Don't
so
forget to subscribe.
Yeah, and hopefully people will like subscribe.
What did we get here?
A card.
I wonder why.
Oh, that's super sweet. Cute little anniversary card. Thank you, Six Man Sarah.
After partying at the Cinco de Mayo celebration in the atrium, it was time to head over to Spinnaker's for the silent disco featuring 3 different DJs.
went to 2 Cinco de Mayo parties. We went to the first one, which was in the atrium, and the second one, which was, couldn't even tell you. It was just like in a theater room, and we had a great time. There was a DJ, and then for the second place, they had a silent disco with 3 DJs. So it was a great time. It's like 1 in the morning. So Abner and I are going to bed, and we will see you guys tomorrow for our second day of our cruise.
We started our morning off at the fitness center on deck 12. The fitness center had a good amount of equipment, plenty of machines and treadmills to choose from, and the best part were the views from the treadmill. There's also a room in the back that had free weights. Throughout the day, the chefs held demonstrations that highlighted spotlight buffet dishes. Chef Antonia was showing her Banana Foster's French toast.
Time for some pickleball.
We just finished playing about 20 minutes of pickleball, did a few rounds. It is
so hot.
So hot out here. It only says it's 81 degrees, but boy, does it feel like 90 something.
It's like right, the sun's just beginning.
So we're wrapping up here, staying hydrated, of course, and then we're gonna take you guys to the pool. We're finishing up in the pool. I'm gonna head to our rooms, shower, change, get ready for dinner.
Yep.
We don't remember what the options are for tonight, but
It's gonna be a surprise, but we know once we see the menu, we know exactly what it's gonna be, so we'll be fine.
catch you guys at dinner.
Our second dinner was located in Le Bistro and curated by Robert Irvine, Jeffrey Zackrain, and Lindsay Arteri.
Made it to breakfast. We're at Cozumel now. We still have not decided what we're gonna do. And it's either gonna be 2 things. It's either gonna be ATVs for 3.5 hours, or just go rent a car and drive around Cozumel. So it'll be a surprise for everyone.
Well, Abner and I have been duck hunting.
We're gonna put them in good spots.
We're gonna hide all of these like in main common areas. We found a bunch of them like on people's doors and the hallway stairwell, so this is actually really fun.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss our port day in Cozumel.